of the video. So I was saying we can actually see that there was 15 minutes change in character at this point. As you can see here, we have these rejections here, rejection here, but finally price managed to take liquidity to break out this resistance up there. So at this point upward, this is the bullish side of the 15 minutes time frame. So we can actually know from this level we were bullish, and we managed to take this high here and form this bullish momentum. So as you can see also, as we got to this level, we had a double top here, a retesting of the double top here, and this is actually a fake retest. Maybe swing traders can actually take a short position here and hold it and manage to be taken out at this point, because they think the double top and the retest, so they need to take out. But you can see price is always unpredictable, so you must be able to be very aware of what's happening in the market, right? So coming back to the area that we are so concerned about, we want to see that if the bullish momentum here is it depleted or is still available. Also saying that having this bearish momentum which happened here, we can actually see that we had these lows. You have this low, right, and also have this high. We have this low here, high, low, high. But basically we can see that this was our maximum high and this was our minimum low, right? This is our minimum low. This is our minimum low here. So you have a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, and we have this consolidation happening here. So we can actually see that there is a little bit of a change in character as we were moving down here. So which low are we considering here? We can see that if we take our trend line from this position, we can see that this is a low, but these are the same level. As you can see here, we cannot put our price at this point. You can see that it's the same level, and we can also see that it's the same level, and you can also see that this is the same level. So we can consider that this is where the break of structure happened, and this is where we have our bearish momentum, our bullish momentum being taken. But as you can see, this might be a fake breakout. As you can see that price was rejected here, came down here, also rejected here, and started to be bullish. So you have to be very careful of this false breakout and also have this false breakout. So now, as we know that we want to have so at 15 minutes time frame we are bullish. As you can see here, this part of the this part of the movement has been taken out, and we are bullish at 15 minutes time frame, right? So we go down to our 5 minutes time frame here. So back at our 5 minutes time frame, we want to see if this bullish movement is still available. Is it still bullish, or maybe price has been taken out, or maybe now price is bearish. So we can see our low, our high here, and this is our lowest, and we can actually see that this is where all the resistance happened here. This way we can see that this is where the resistance happened. So we can take our trend line here at 5 minutes time frame from this position, exactly at the point where price took that exactly at this point. Yes, exactly. Why is this point? Was price here actually formed a false breakout up here, and it was rejected back, and you can see that from this bullish momentum price actually went bullish. So 5 minutes time frame, we can actually conclude that 5 minutes time frame the price is bullish. So we can go down even to 1 minute time frame to analyze and to make an analysis there. So 1 minute time frame, you can see using this bullish momentum, you can see that there is a high, a low, a high, a low, a high here. So we expect price to respect this low so that it continues to be bullish. But if it breaks this low, expect price to have a change in character, and price can actually continue downwards, or else price will still make a false breakout, come to this resistance level and start to be bullish. But we can still keep in mind that we still have that liquidity that we had on our 1 hour time frame. You can see that there's a lot of liquidity here, so price can actually come down to these levels. Okay, so thank you guys. Actually, disclaimer is low, guys, this is just my own view of how I see these markets, but you can see markets can actually do depending with the liquidity available. So don't take this as a financial